a stranger, out of sight, out of mind, no wanting to surrender.
Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today we're going to do the very popular trail Outlaws, Branches and Bays route. Yeah, if you're thinking about entering the race, it's probably not a bad little video to watch. And if you do like it, please give it a like, a share and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.
I guess I should have said I'll let you down. I'll make you feel like nothing but a fool.
We're heading into Hawthorn Dean now. It's a beautiful little Dean actually. Oh, got a dribble on my nose. I'm not really going to talk to you about like a navigation on this run. It's so well marshalled. Yeah, you don't really need me to guide you through anything like that.
Like nothing but a stranger now. Even highways sound like oceans. If you fall,
Yeah, Hawthorn Beach, and the next thing we do is a nice set of steps to get your legs burning.
and it's all just smoke and illusion, and you've still got to hold on.
You're on Black Beach, and you keep going south, and then you wrap around this rock, and then head north again.
Like nothing here was real, and I'll take you high. Ooh, then I will push you out. Yeah, I'll make you feel like nothing but a stranger now.
Okay, you've done Hawthorn Beach, Hawthorn Dean, Blast Beach. Some nice coastal trails, and you've just been to Nose's Point, and we've now turned around and we're heading back to Hawthorn. Well over halfway now, and hopefully you've got something left in your legs for the final push. Yeah, it's been lovely so far. Glorious day. I can't complain about a thing.
One to a million. There's so many different reasons why I like you. Let's keep this going. We can change it up if we want to. Keep me guessing, keep me guessing, keep me guessing, keep me guessing. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's not hard to say how I feel. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now 'cause it's real. Hey. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Hey, hey. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Gonna say how I feel, cause I know that it's something real. Hey, hey, hey. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's not hard to say how I feel. It's like ooh la la, ooh la la. It's kinda easy now cause it's real. Hey. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Alright, that was it. 6.5 miles, I think. Branches and Bays Trail Outlaw route. Yeah, hopefully that gives you a feel for what to expect on the route, and if you like it, then head over to, I don't know if it's a .co.uk or .com, but Trail Outlaws, either .co.uk, and look for Branches and Bays. Yeah, nice trail, 10k, nothing insane, lovely bit of seaside, lovely trails, and what is a bonus, there is a pub right at the finish line, so enjoy a pint and discuss how the race went. But yeah, check them out, Trail Outlaws. Google Trail Outlaws, you'll pretty they'll pop up if you enjoyed this route. Also, yeah, please don't forget, give us a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And what's the next thing? Oh yeah, give it a share if you think somebody else might be interested. Please give us a share on your social media. That would be awesome. I think that's it for me. You take care. See you all soon.